Okay, so we have all our track logs and our waypoints on our computer now, and we want to transfer them to our device. So on our iPad, we're going to start the program. And we're going to go to Files, and we're going to go to FTP Wi-Fi. And on the computer, we're going to go Communication, connect to TwoNav to iPad or iPhone. I will write the IP of my iPad or my iPhone. Next. And all you got to do is put the same numbers that you've got on the iPad on the computer here, plus the password. Go next. So now we've actually got our iPad on the screen here. So under storage files, go to the iPad, and you can see here we're actually talking to the iPad. So let's just go to open files, and what we're going to do is bring down our track log, and we're going to drop that here into the tracks. Okay, so that's finished. So now we've got our track log here, and now we're also going to bring our waypoints, and we're going to put them into waypoints on the iPad. Okay, so now that's finished. So let's go to our iPad. So we're going to go to our files, and we're going to go to our waypoints, and we're going to turn this one off, and we're going to turn our Vic Alps on. So now on our track logs, we've got the Vic Alps. We're going to turn that one on. So waypoints are on for the Vic Alps. So now when we go back to our main screen, you can see here we've actually got that waypoint and that track log. Now you'll notice that we don't actually have any maps at the moment because we've got the world map turned off. So turned on. So if we turn that off, that's using the internet. So let's just turn all of these maps off, and you'll find it's just on a blank background now, or whatever's been cached. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our, we're going to turn this one back into go back into Files, FTP Wi-Fi, and we're going to go back into the computer, and we're going to, now for whatever reason this has a bit of a problem, so what we're going to do is go disconnect first, and then we're going to go back to Communication and reconnect the iPad. Okay, so here we have our iPad again, and under Maps here we're going to have a look. And what we want to do is drag down this map here. So we're going to drag that one and drop it into Maps here. So now that the map's been brought across here. Yeah. And we're going to go into Victorian High Country West. So it's this map here. So we'll turn that one on. We'll turn these two off. So now we've got the same map that we had on the computer. Okay, and now we can actually start navigating. And so that's exactly what we had on the computer. So let's see how that goes.